These are my two previous attempts. Here's the original piece. Oh, this one is broken. It's missing a little length there. This is the original piece. My first attempt, or one of the first attempts. And then this one follows. And that's the latest attempt. It's quite good looking. All in all, quite good. And compared to the other one, side to side, it's quite good. The problem is, when I put it here, the hinges are breaking. And yeah, I don't think it is the most proper material. I don't think PLA is the most proper material for this kind of thing. Thanks for watching.